Hello friends, welcome to TK Study. Here we are going to discuss best 50 questions of current affair in this April month. Okay, let's start. The first question is, which state government have announced wage cuts due to the coronavirus epidemic? Okay, the answer is Telangana and Maharashtra. Okay. The next question is, comedian Ken Shumura who died recently belongs to which country? The answer is Japan. Okay. Next question. Which IIT has built portable ventilator amidst the outbreak of COVID-19? The answer is IIT Kanpur. Next question. The Sunrise mission has been announced by which space organization? The answer is NASA. Okay. And the long form of Sunrise is Sun Radio Interferometer Space Experiment. Okay. This is also important one. Next question is, Praveen Jadhav who recently resigned was the CEO of which company? Okay, Paytm. Next question is, Pragyam app has been launched by which state to issue e-pass? Jharkhand. Okay. Next question is, Bharat Pay has launched COVID-19 security insurance cover with which bank? ICICI. Okay. Maria Teresa is the first royal princess to die due to COVID-19. She was the princess of which country? Spain. Next question is, which bank has started WhatsApp banking? ICICI. This is also an important one. Okay. Under Project Pran, which medical device have students developed at IISc Bangalore? Ventilator. Okay. Next question is, who wrote Sri Devi, the Eternal Skin Devi? The author is Satyarth Nayak. Okay. Next question, the International Atomic Energy Agency has shipped COVID-19 test gear to about 40 countries. What technology do kids use? RT-PCR. Okay. Next question is, which bank will provide USD 1 billion to the government of India to implement the COVID-19 emergency response and health systems preparedness project? Okay, World Bank will provide 1 billion USD dollar to India. Okay. Arogya Setu has been launched by which country to fight the coronavirus epidemic? Okay. The app is launched by India. Okay. Okay. Which country has to host the third edition of Asian Youth Games? The host country is China and they will host in 2021. Okay. The next question is, which state government will buy multi-feed oxygen manifolds developed by the Indian Navy? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next question is, Tabligh Jamaat is related to which religion? The answer is Muslim. Next question is, Geeta Ramji who recently died due to COVID-19 was an Indian origin virologist based in which country? The answer is Africa. Okay. Next question is, which state UT will provide rupees 5,000 to the drivers of public transport vehicles such as autos, taxis and e-rickshaws? The answer is Leh. Next question is, how many locomotive has Chittaranjan Locomotive Works built in the financial year 2019-20? The answer is 431. This is also a Limca Book of Records for production of 431 locomotives, and the unit is located at Asansol, West Bengal. Okay, this is also important. The next question is, in which city is the United Nations General Assembly located? The answer is New York. Okay. Which initiative has been initiated by the Indian Administrative Services and Indian Police Services? Okay, Karuna. Next question is, Bhai Nirmal Singh Khalsa who died recently was awarded with which honor? Padma Shri. Okay. Mo Pratibha My Talent has been started by which state? The answer is Odisha. How many money has the World Bank give to Indian to fight COVID-19? The answer is 1 billion USD. Okay. Next question is, how much amount did Hockey India donate to the PM Cares Fund to deal with COVID-19 epidemic in the country? The answer is 1 crore. Next question is, what is the new deadline for the qualification period of Tokyo Olympics? The answer is 29 June 2021. Okay. Next question is, the ADB has projected to slow the growth rate of Indian economy in 2020 to 2021. Okay, the answer is 4%. Okay, they projected 4%. Next question is, PM Narendra Modi asked Indians to turn off their lights at 9 o'clock on which day? 5 April 2020. Okay. Next question is Indian Air Force has recently given 6.2 million tons of essential medicines under Operation Sanjeevani to which country? The answer is Maldives. Important question, okay? Which Council of Medical Research approved the use of which machine to conduct COVID-19 test? The ICMR approved the use of tuberculosis machine, okay? Next question is FIFA has been postponed under 17 Women's World Cup until November 2020, okay? In which country was the under 17 Women's FIFA World Cup to be held? This is this event is hosted by India, okay? Which bank has been nominated by government for the collection of donations for the PM Cares Fund? Okay, important question. Indian Overseas Bank, okay? Next question is on which day is World Health Day celebrated? The World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April, okay? Next question is name the low cost energy efficient ventilator made by Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala. The answer is G1, okay? Next question is Olympic Council Asia announced the third Asian Youth Games to be held in which country in November 2021? Okay, the answer is China. Which state CM has been awarded Animal Hero to Animals Award by Animal Rights Organization by PETA? Okay, the answer is Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik. Okay. Next question is which center has been set up by Department of Science and Technology to fight COVID-19? Kavach. Okay. Next question is who has been appointed as the president of NASCOM? Okay, the answer is Praveen Rao. Next question is the Union Cabinet approved the cut in salary of how many percent of Prime Minister and other MPs to fight COVID-19? The answer is 30%. They cut 30% from their salary. Okay, from which country has the first case of COVID-19 tiger trial been reported? The answer is USA. Important question. Okay. Every year 7 April is celebrated as World Health Day. What is the theme for this year? The answer is support nurses and midwives. Okay. The next question is which state chief minister has announced a 5T scheme to stop the spread of coronavirus? The answer is Delhi. Next question is who has been appointed as the official spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs? The answer is Anurag Srivastav. Okay. Next question is NASA aims to land human on the moon by 2024 through which program? The program name is Artemis. Okay. Which state CM has announced that the government will provide rupees 2000 to all the residents of state stranded due to the lockdown? Manipur. Okay. Next question is government of India has relaxed the ban on export of which drug used to treat COVID-19? Paracetamol and hydroxychloroquine. Okay. Next question is what is the name of the Prime Minister of Britain? Boris Johnson. Next question is where are the headquarters of G20 group? The answer is Cancun, Mexico. Okay. Next question is Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR validated which machine for COVID-19 screening test? Tuberculosis testing machine. Okay. Our last question of today is which state UD government started Operation Shield? The answer is Delhi. Okay. So these are the important 50 questions of this month. We discussed this in 10 minutes. Okay. If you like this session, then please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you.